my baddie babes? It's your girl Brianna S, and I'm back with you with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be installing a box braided wig from this wig company. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get right into the video. I'm back with you with another wig installation video. I'm going to be installing this box braided wig from this hair company off of Amazon. I'm so excited because I have not worn box braids in so long. I can't even tell you the last time I actually wore some box braids. Like, girl, I think the last time I wore box braids was in 8th grade, but I could be wrong. I don't know. It's been a minute, just know that. So I'm just so excited to try box braided wigs for the first time. So a little backstory, I don't really wear box braids because I have a big forehead. Like, I just feel like, you know, I just don't look good with a box braid with a big forehead. So I just leave box braids alone. Now it's a box braided wig, so I can actually like just pull it down a little bit. So I'm very excited. Like, I have not worn box braids in so long. I love box braids, I just don't wear them because of my forehead. So now I'm just excited to see how this looks because I have never worn a box braided wig before. It's really different for me. Like, y'all know I'm really used to, like, you know, wigs like this, like a little straight hair wig, curly wigs. Like, you know, that's what I normally wear when you think of wigs, but I never thought about actually a box braided wig. So let's go ahead and try out this wig and let's see how this goes. So I took the wig straight out the packaging, and as you see, it's definitely giving box braids. But let me show y'all this hair. Like, wait a minute. Do y'all see? Y'all, look at these braids. I mean, it's giving very much scalp. Look at this. Like, it's a triangular part. Not your traditional like square box braids. It's actually like a triangle. So, you know, that's very trendy now. You can look at the baby hair. Look at the baby. It comes with baby hair, and it's a new trend now where everybody's getting like the little mini flat irons and be like, you know, curling our baby hair to create like a little curled baby hair look. Why is it giving flat iron curled baby hair? Like, y'all see this? I know y'all see this. That is so cute. So, but of course I'm gonna cut this down a little bit because this is just too long. I like dramatic baby hair, but girl, this is giving very much dramatic. It's giving, I don't know what it's giving, but I just want to cut this down because that is just too long. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that off camera, of course. Do I have to say anything else? Like, let's just go ahead and put this wig on. I'm just excited. I have not worn box braided in so long, and it's a box braided wig. Oh yeah. It even comes with the elastic band to give you some more security behind your head, and then of course it comes with the 2 combs on the sides of your head. So yeah, let's go ahead and get this wig on, y'all. Like, I'm just so excited. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Okay guys, so I just put on a wig cap. I'm doing the wig cap method, girl, now I'm just gonna be putting it on just like this, just to cover up my, you know, braids a little bit, just give it a little more flatter surface to work with, I guess. Or I don't know, wrong person talking about some wigs. Okay, it gives a more, you know, scalp look when you put it on. Thinking about putting some makeup on my cap as well, just to give some more, you know, realistic look. But I don't know, I might just keep it just like this, girl. I'm not feeling that today. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put the wig on and let's go ahead and see how she's looking. So we got the wig right here. I'm gonna go ahead and put her on. I'm so excited, y'all. Let's see how this looks. Oh. What? This is cute. Yeah, wait a minute. Girl, I wasn't ready, okay? I wasn't ready. Girl, it's giving scalp. Y'all see that? Oh my gosh. So I'm gonna be, you know, talking your heads off. I'm just gonna have me doing a little voiceover. I'm just gonna be putting this on my head. Nothing crazy. So yeah, but I'm just gonna be putting this on my head, so I'll catch you guys in a bit. Okay guys, so you just see me here trying to secure this wig, and I did have a hard time because it is a pretty small cap. I feel like it's not really big head friendly. I don't know because it's just my head. But yeah, I had a little bit of a hard time trying to get it to, you know, stick on my head because it is pretty small. But yeah, just keep that in mind. We want to purchase this wig. It is a little bit on the smaller side, so definitely keep that in mind. So yeah, I have it on. Of course, I haven't cut any lace or anything. I just literally just put this on my head. But y'all, this is so cute. Let me show y'all. So the company said this hair is 36 inches. Baby girl, I don't know where you see 36 at, but this is giving very much 26 to 28 inches because 36. So now I'm just going to go ahead and install this wig. So I'll go ahead and cut the lace, put some makeup on the lace, and you know, get it looking cute. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Hey baddies, let's get right into it. So you just see me here. I'm just pulling the wig cap a little bit farther up just to cover up most of my edges because I'm not trying to lose my edges. So I'm just making sure I'm pulling that wig cap up some more so our edges are out the way. And now I'm just going in with my Ebin Wonder Bond lace spray from the beauty supply store. And I'm just going to spray this directly onto my hairline to apply our lace wig. And my hair dryer broke, so here's me being ghetto using a stock card to just get the lace spray tacky to apply our lace wig. So now I'm going to go ahead and apply our lace wig. So I'm just going to pull this wig directly over my head and bringing the lace right directly on that tacky lace spray just to adhere it on my hairline. And I'm just going back in areas where I feel like I need some more spray. And I'm just going to go ahead and spray some on my hairline just so it can be more secure. Using an eyebrow razor, I'm just going to be cutting off any excess and remaining lace from the wig. So I'm just combing out my edges just to remove any excess lace spray that might have got on them and also to help them be nice and fluffy. Now I'll be going back with that Ebin Wonder Bond lace spray and I'm just going to be using that to help swoop out my baby hair. And y'all, I had a hard time with the edges. Like, I don't know what I'm doing wrong. I know I'm not that good at edges, so you don't have to come for me in the comments. But yeah, I really tried with these edges. I really tried my best. Don't come in my comments with that mess because you're just going to get blocked. But yeah, I really tried, y'all, so don't judge me, okay? Rather than judging me, you can just leave some tips, okay? Period. So this is pretty much the finishing look. This is really cute. Like, I'm just loving how these braids look. Don't mind the edges, y'all. I had a hard time with these edges. Like, I can't even tell you how many times I have to cut the camera and just redo these edges. Like, it was so hard. I've been doing this for the last 3 to 4 hours now, so I just want to be done with this look. But yeah, I'm just keep it like this because, you know, I'm not really going anywhere anyway, so it don't really matter. But this is what it looks. Of course, I will definitely redo these edges, but that's definitely going to be off camera. But other than that, it's a pretty decent wig. Like, I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all the back. And again, this is supposed to be 36 inches, but girl, this is more likely a 26 to 28 inches. Yeah, it's definitely not giving no 36. This wig does touch the back of my knee, so it is pretty long, but it is probably because I am a short girl. I am 5'3", depending on your height, but it is a pretty long wig on me because I'm a short girl. But yeah, y'all, this is a really cute wig. I would rate it a 8 out of 10 because one, this cap, the wig cap itself, is small. I'm a big head girl, so I had a little bit of a hard time as well with the cap. I managed, as you see, it's on my head now. It's not really big head friendly, let's say that, because I want to keep this review as honest as possible. But yeah, guys, this is definitely a cute little wig. Like, I see myself going to like the Bahamas or some kind of Caribbean island and turning up with this wig, y'all. Like, okay, this is definitely giving that Caribbean vibe that we're looking for. But yeah, guys, this is pretty much it of this video. Of course, if you watch all the way to the end, you are a true baddie babe. So I definitely appreciate you guys' support. And since you guys made it to the end, make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up. And of course, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. And of course, don't forget to comment down below and tell me how you guys like this install. And of course, guys, please give me some tips. Like, if you know a little something that I don't, give me some tips. Because girl, I'm still learning, okay? I'm still a beginner at this wig stuff. I'm not a pro. Would definitely appreciate if you guys can leave some tips and tricks in the comments as well. Don't be bashing me in the comments. Like, I know the edges can be a little more cuter. I know the edges can be edging a little bit more, but instead of bashing me, leave me some tips. But anyways, guys, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, lovelies.